So this is supposed to be the blizzard. Ooh, a scary blizzard. What do they say on the news? 7, 8 inches. Okay, granted, it was a little bit higher earlier in the day, but they've been moving the snow and everything back and forth. Tired of being in the house, so I decided I'm gonna go out and brave the cold, frigid, freezing weather. Ooh, ooh.
And I'm feeling good. Fish in the sea, you know how I feel. With the running free, you know how I feel.
I feel like the Blair Witch Project. My nose is running. It's snowing outside, but it's not cold. It's just, oh my God, it's so lovely. I love the snow in New York because it gets to be so quiet and look at that. Just peaceful and beautiful. Hi, people. That's why I love the city. Just listen to that. Silence. That's a little foggy. Jesus. Maybe that's what it is. Well, I do live in a valley, so it tends to get a little windy down here. See, there we go. Plus, I think it was a train. Oh, look at this. Just breathtaking. Let me take a picture now. I guess no matter what, even on a snow day, Popo still gotta come out, cause your cousins don't know how to act. Where'd he just go? Cause I could have sworn he just rolled up. Let me get on before I get shot. Will we say it's this building since the door is open? Yes, I will assume so. See? More coming. Something's going down on the block. See? And I'm gonna get my narrow tail in the house.